Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, kung anong ating makita, ating babasahin for you. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong, pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin, pagdating po kay Perception of Light. Okay? So, si Perception of Light, ito ang kanyang FB page. Yeah. So, message nyo lang po siya. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman. Okay? So, Dingsi is one word. And, yeah, pagdating sa ating mga items, meron tayong protection from evil eye. Okay, meron tayong protection from evil eye, ring, meron tayong necklace, meron tayong bracelet. Okay? And, yeah, love bracelet, meron din tayo niyan. So, ito, gagamitin nyo lang, no? Ang ginagawa lang nito is tungkol lang sa love, okay? Tungkol lang sa mga connection, okay? Kung ano ang kailangan, yun ang ipoprovide ni love bracelet. For singles, may mga kakonect, lalo na yung may mga maraming conflict, yun. Okay, so, next is yung ating granter necklace. Okay, this is, sabihin natin, yun nga, from the word itself, no? Granter. Taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? Nagpo-provide din to ng sabihin nating surprises, no? Oo, surprises. Ayun lang ating term, surprise. So, kahit hindi nyo minamanifest, may nadating. Okay? And syempre, dun tayo sa maganda, no? Sa maganda lang. And yung ating pang-cord cut. So, ganyan si pang-cord cut natin. Okay, meron siya mga stones. Okay. So, kung may tanong, para saan ba yun? Para saan ba yan? Paanong gamit? Ganto, ganyan. Message me. Okay? Just message me. So, yun lamang. So, let's start the reading. Air signs muna. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Anong meron? Tingnan natin. Anong mensahe for you? Air signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The 10 funds. Charan! Okay, anong meron sa 10 funds? Let's see. The World in reversed. The 4 of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, sinasabihan dito na pagdating sa kaperahan, okay, kailangan yung mag-ipon. Merong ano daw? The World in reverse, may chance na talagang meron pa ring hindi na nag-e-end dito. Okay? Like a burden or kung ano man, struggles. Pero ang nakuha ko dito, this is talking about finances. Okay? Some of you, you're still holding on to someone or to something. Kaya ikaw ay laging, sabihin nating mababa yung energy or talagang mabigat. Kasi para yung yung kung ano man yung mga pinanghahawakan nyo, kung ano man yung pinag-i-stayan nyo na hindi na dapat, para yung mga sandbag. Okay, alam niyo yung sandbag. Kayo, para kayong air balloon. Air balloon. So, kapag maraming sandbag na nakapaligid, mahirapang umangat. Kailangan yung magbawas-bawas para umangat ng kauntian. Okay? So, yun po, ha? So, ano pa? For air signs, yung mga past, something, someone from the past. This is past. Na talaga nagpapabigat. Ay, kailangan nyo to. Kailangan nyo to. Cord cut, yes. Ayan, dyan siya napasok. Okay? So, let's see. What else for air signs? The Ace of Cups in reversed. Why? What's with this? The High Priestess in reversed. Matuto na alagaan yung sarili. Iba sa inyo. Matuto kayong alagaan ang sarili. That's specific. Message na yun, specific po yun, ha? Anong meron sa Ace of Cups in reverse? Yeah. Another Ace in reverse naman ulit. Wands tayo. Okay? So, meaning, walang nangyayaring pagbabago. Puro pabalik-balik. Anong meron sa inyo, air signs? Anong nangyayari sa inyo? The Nine of Pentacles sa ilalim. Katabi niya is si King of Swords in reverse. I don't know, like there's this takot na pwedeng yun ang dahilan kung bakit hindi nyo magawa yung mga dapat or hindi mangyari yung mga dapat mangyari. Ha? Let go of something, kung ano man yung kailangan. Cycles, routines. Kung sa tingin mo wala naman ikaw kailangang i-let go or whatsoever or ipag-heal. Okay, tingin mo perfect mo. Edi may chance na pwedeng sa routine. Sa pang-araw-araw na ginagawa mo, pwedeng ikaw ay stuck sa isang routine. Baguhin mo 'yun. Okay? Baguhin mo 'yun. The Queen of Pentacles, responsibility. Some of you, ikaw itong meron pa kayang parating sa akin na new love? Parang wala na kasi parang hindi na ako makakaalis sa mga ganitong situation. Mindset ang iyong babaguhin dun. Ha? Mindset. So what else? There's this delay pagdating sa person na talagang para sa'yo. May delay pagdating sa pagdating niya. O, diba? So what else for you, air signs? Somebody, may chance na meron ditong connection na mangyari and this is just short term and sex based. Okay, with a see, the Knight of Wands in reverse. This is a player, short term. Okay, we have here fire, water, and I think this is Cancerian or Taurus. Okay, meron ding Sagittarius. So what else for you, air signs? Okay, the Six of Swords. Going to calmer water, parang ganyan. From shaky to rocky, wavy to calmer water, parang ganyan. What's with the Six of Swords? Yeah, the Nine of Cups. This is healing. Energy of healing to, air signs. Okay? Iba sa inyo, may chance na may matutuloy na, sabihin nating matutupad na wish. And I think this is talking about travel or something na pwedeng gusto mong puntahan. Iba sa inyo, yeah, you're heading through sabihin nating healing. Okay? Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. Ano tong Six of Swords? Tingnan pa natin. Yeah, the Three of Cups in reverse. Hindi ka na para umasa sa reconciliation kung kanino man. Okay? So, yeah, the Six of Cups in reverse, the Hanged Man. Ikaw kasi itong talagang yun yung magiging dahilan, no, sa lahat-lahat na para hindi ka umusad. Okay? Yun ang magiging dahilan kung ano man yung mga pinangahawakan nyo, pinag-i-stayan nyo. So, healing kailangan. Healing. Okay? Somebody in your past is still, sabihin natin, nakaka-connect pa sa'yo, I think. Okay, pasensya na ha kung ba't ako ganito magsalita, I don't know. Yeah. Epekto ng mga nakaraan ko. Di makaraan. Okay. So, yun ha, yun ang nakikita ko for you, air signs. Sandali lang po ha. Okay. So, yeah. Meron ditong hindi na makikipagbalikan. Diba? Meron pa akong dagdag, no? Meron ditong energy sa inyo, sa iba sa inyo na hindi na makikipagbalikan kung kanino. Yeah. Okay. So, halatang kumain ako, no? Anyway. So, next. Fire signs. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Fire signs. Thank you. Okay. So, anong meron? Mensahe, gabay, prediction, energy checkings. Let's see. Fire signs. Fire signs. 7 of Wands in reversed. Less tension. Yeah, around the workplace or around your home. Less tension. May nakita ko ditong renovation. May energy ng bisita, biglaang bisita. Galing sa malayo. Some of you, mayroong mga papaltan sa bahay. May mga i-upgrade. Yeah. Yeah, the 7 of Cups. I think maraming gagawin. Yeah. Alam niyo yung energy ng, okay, marami kayong gagawin pero wala yung boss. Or, yeah, yung parang free. Alam niyo yun? Yeah. Yung ganong pakiramdam. Yung parang walang nakabantay sa inyo. Like that. Kahit maraming gawain, hindi kayo masyadong mangangarag. Parang ganon. Anyway. There's this. Sabihin nating be careful ha. Kasi may nakikita ko ditong energy na pwedeng may mawala. Pwedeng may mawalang gamit. I don't know kung ano yun. Locker. Sa locker. CCTV, napaka-importante. So, what else? The Chariot in reversed. May pagkukumpuni or may paggawa sa sasakyan. Yung iba sa inyo. Travel delays for some of you. Roadblocks. Traffic. Strength in reversed. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng hindi makakaalis dahil magkakaroon ng sakit. Oo. May mga ganong energy. So, be healthy. Be healthy. Magkakasakit. May magkakasakit. Cancerian, Leo, Air. Some of you, meron kayong aabangan or meron kayong hinihintay. Pwedeng hindi dumating. A message. Pwedeng hindi mangyaring, pwedeng hindi ka ma-replyan or something. Anong meron dito? Bakit kailangang i-delay? Plano. Bakit? The High Priestess. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. Well, nakakakuha ko dito ha. This is just a simple message lang. Na kung kayo ay aalis, dapat check ninyo kung yung mga gagamitin, yung mga yung mga dalahin, check ninyo yung inyong tawag dito, sasakyan if ever. Meron din ako nakikita dito na kailangan, baka malimutan mo yung iyong license. Double check. Double check. Yeah, identification card. Okay. Uulan. O, diba? Uulan. Kaya yung iba sa inyo hindi matutuloy. I don't know kung ano yun. Lahat ng makikita ko, lahat ng maririnig ko, sasabihin ko. Okay? So, what else for you, fire signs? The moon. I'm getting this energy na pwedeng may tatakas. Or tatakas ka. Somebody. Kasi hindi pinayagan or sabihin natin gagawa ng white lies para hindi makapasok or parang maka-absent or whatsoever. What's with this? The moon. Yeah, white lies. Pwedeng, yeah, a workplace scenario. Okay? Meron ditong, sabihin natin, absent, magsi-sick leave, no? Vacation leave, parang ganyan. Hindi ba sa inyo mga pinag-uusapan kayo ng ibang tao dyan sa workplace? Mga katrabaho nyo, I don't know why. I don't know kung ano pinag-uusapan nila. There's secrets, rumors, maybe. I'm seeing here GC. Okay? Group chat na hindi ka kasama. Pwedeng doon ka pinag-uusapan. A surprise. Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko na ba yun. Somebody or something is blocking the blessing. Para dumating sa'yo, para makuha mo. Somebody is throwing you an evil eye. Protect your energy. Yung iba sa kanila, pwedeng pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Somebody is, sabihin nating, sinishare yung mga secrets mo. Anyway, so enough with that. Okay, so let's see. Next is water signs. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs. So, what's for you? What's the tea? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung ano bang meron. Let's see. The Magician. Manifestations. Okay, some of you are manifesting. And may chance na mangyari. May chance na mag-grant, no? Lalo na, may mga granter dyan. Yeah. Page of Cups. Some of you, you're manifesting someone na mag-chat sa'yo. And it's happening, I guess. It will, maybe soon. Pero nakakuha ko dito ng ganyan. Meron, see, an ex, maybe. Death in reversed. Somebody will say they're sorry. Kahit hindi mo hinihingi. Some of you, there's this someone na into you. They have a crush on you. Who is this Page of Cups? Ooh, secret. Secretly falling for you, secretly in love, maybe secretly having a crush on you. They're just manifesting na magkaroon kayo ng connection or maybe communication, like little communication, small communication, small sabihin nating like back and forth messages like that. We have here Virgo, water sign, air. wanting to sneak back somebody. Pwedeng, or, pwedeng past person. Okay. So, what else for water signs? The Queen of Cups. Somebody is obsessively thinking and love with you. What's with this Queen of Cups? Anong meron dyan? The Two of Cups. I don't know. The Two of Pentacles in reversed. They're dropping. Like, they're avoiding na magkaroon ng emotion for you. Pero, you're renting on their head. Okay? You're living in their head. You live in their head rent-free. Yeah, they're avoiding na magkaroon ng emotion for you. I don't know who. Who is this king? Who is this Queen of Cups? Some of you, you'll reject someone na pwedeng mag-express ng feelings nila for you. You'll reject someone. The non-committal, you see them as a non-committal. They're single. They are single. Some of them may pera. Or maybe stable financially. Financially stable. They have business. Pwede ring boss itong taong to. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi na kayo magiging open or hindi, sa ngayon, hindi nyo pipiliing maging open when it comes to love, and focus is pera or stability. But yeah, there's this somebody who is into you. They like you. They like your looks, your attitude maybe. So what else for water signs? The Seven of Wands, yeah. Ignoring, avoiding. Seven of Wands. This is tension. Death in reverse. Yeah, you'll avoid someone from your past. You're avoiding maybe. The Two of Cups. Kasi pwedeng ikaw rin itong, or maybe somebody ang mag-a-avoid sa'yo. Vice versa. Or flip. May energy dito na pwedeng may pag-avoid kasi kailangan. And kung hindi gagawin yung pag-avoid, kung hindi gagawin yung pagsasabi ng no or stop, is makakasira or makaka-apekto, no, sa mga pwede pang mangyari sa buhay mo or sa buhay niya. Somebody from your past, maybe pwede mong i-block or iba-block mo or vice versa. Yeah. The Seven of Cups and the Three of Wands universe, hindi ka na para mag-expect, hindi ka na para maghintay, kasi kung gagawin mo yon, mako-confuse ka lang, mawawala ka lang sa direction, sa path mo, parang ganyan. Okay? See? You need to work on something. Focusing on your stability, focusing on your work, career, studies, maybe on yourself. So, iba sa inyo, mas pipiliin nyo munang maging single. Mas malakas yung energy rito na pipiliin ko na maging single kaysa makipag-connect kung kani-kanino. Nawawala ako sa ruta, parang ganyan. Yeah, okay? So, be careful on your workplace. May mga tao na hindi nasisiyahan sa mga nagagawa mo. Tinatago lang nila, like galit or what. Meron ding mga humahanga sa'yo sa mga naipapakita mo, sa mga naipoprovide mo. Okay, whether sa work man, sa school man, kung saan man. Meron kasi rin ditong mga ginagawa kang motivation, mga ganong bagay. Anyway, so yun ang aking nakikita for you water signs. Okay, so next, earth signs. Yan. So earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see. Let's check. Oo. So, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Anong meron? For earth signs. One more. Earth signs. Sinasabi rito na you have to save, or maybe meron kayong mga iipunan na travel. Iba sa inyo. Okay? What's with this? What's with this? Anong meron? What's for you? Justice in reverse. There's this imbalance. What's with this? Yeah. Stress. Somebody is stressing out. There's this issue, like legal issues. Anong meron dito? Anong mangyayari dyan? Meron kayong mga inilalaban or andyan pa rin yung issue kung ano man. Legal. Death. The Tower. This is talking about sabihin nating good news for me. Okay? May chance na may mangyayaring changes. May mag-e-end. Pero sabihin nating yung mga pagbabago na mangyayari is like sa paganda. Sa paganda. The Queen of Cups. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may mag-e-end na issue pagdating sa mga connection sa relationships. Maybe third party, divorce, kung ano man. May mga magbabago. May mga magaganap. Somebody will get caught cheating, maybe. Somebody is stressed. So what else? The Seven of Cups. Confusion. Choices, options. What's with this? The King of Swords in reverse. Hindi ko makita iba sa inyo na nakakapag-desisyon ng tama. Lalo na pagdating sa trabaho, lalo na pagdating sa bahay, sa relasyon. The world is here. May mga kailangang baguhin, may mga kailangang i-accept, something like that. What's with this King of Swords in reverse? King of Swords in reverse, please. Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. You have to redirect. Okay? Yung sarili mo. Gulong-gulo. The Sun is here in reverse again. The Page of Swords. Marami kang kailangang ayusin, i-schedule, or i-redirect. Nandyan yung takot. Nandyan yung sabihin nating hindi ito yung comfort zone na alam mo. Wala ka sa comfort zone. Pwedeng may mga nangyayari na struggles or problems, issues. And some of you are just afraid na gumawa, dumesisyon. Kung hindi mo gagawin, mga dapat gawin, you're just delaying things up. Okay? Dinidelay mo lang lahat. Kung wala kang gagawin, yeah, in general. The Page of Wands. Starting fresh, starting new beginning. Okay? I don't know kung mayroong nag-end dito. Ikaw itong pwedeng magkakaroon ng maraming option pagdating sa food. I don't know kung ano yun. Some of you, yeah, you're recovering din. Like me, recovering, o diba? So, what else? For earth signs. A reschedule. Overlapping schedules. Delays. What else? A lot of, sabihin natin, opportunities for some of you, pero nandoon yung takot na i-grab kung ano man yung kailangang i-grab. Kung there's someone na pwedeng in love or sabihin nating liking you, o diba? Pero for me, Ace of Cups and the Queen of Wands, that is self-care, self-love, yeah, mga ganong bagay. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. What's with that? The High Priestess in reverse. The Eight of Cups, walking away from stagnant, okay, stagnant energy. Walking away. Universe is saying na they're trying to connect through angel numbers, signs, synchronicities. Anong meron? Yeah, they're trying to connect. Two of Cups, Hermit. Anong meron? Yeah, para sa'yo to. Para rin sa'yo. See? Yung ating tunog for, clarification, no? Oo, from universe. So, this is telling me, may mga bagay na mahirap alisan. May mahirap na, yeah, this is, 4 of Wands, 6 of Wands, this is 10 of Wands. Struggles. Okay? Hardships. This is, I think universe redirecting you. I think. Papunta sa stability, papunta sa paganda. Pero it's up to you. It's up to you kung anong pipiliin mo. Mag-stay ka ba? Or pipiliin mo na tingnan, pakinggan, kung anong mga sinasabi, kung anong mga advice na binibigay sa'yo. Okay? This is stability. I'm seeing some of you, papunta ka na dun. Kasi sinasabi nating success and victory. Nag-struggle ka, striving. You've been through a lot. Yeah, si universe ang gumalaw. Wheel of Fortune. I think kailangan mo lang talagang makigo with the flow. Kung lalabanan mo to, mapapagod ka. Ikaw rin ang mapapagod. Ikaw rin yung mauubos. It's like you're fighting the current. Para kang nakikipaglaban sa agos. Makakapagod. People will see you na successful ka. Okay? I think you deserve something. Yeah, you deserve this. Earth signs, you deserve this. Lalo na kung alam niyo sa sarili niyo talaga ang dami niyo ng pinagdaanan. Yeah. Challenge from universe. See, the Two of Cups. Just try to connect para malaman kung anong gagawin mo. Kung nahihirapan ka, sa mga, sabihin natin mga ginugusto mo, parang hindi maka-align, then that's not for you, I think. Kaya maraming option. Huwag matatakot na subukan. Parang ganun. This is, sabihin nating, not a repeat. Okay? Hindi to repeat. This is a new chapter for you. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!